Hello flower lovers. Each blooming rose petal is a miracle of nature, and that miracle you can completely create by yourself right in your small garden. Here, I will share with you the secrets of propagating roses and many other special flowers from only organic ingredients, familiar in our own kitchen. With just a little patience, a little love, you will see the miracles of nature in response. Come explore with me and create a garden full of colors and fragrances with your own hands. Now, we will prepare the first natural rooting solution. I use about 300 milliliters of warm water. Pour it into a very clean glass cup. Warm water will help the process of dissolving and activating nutrients take place more effectively. The first ingredient is rice. Just 3 small spoons will do. Soaking rice in warm water helps release B vitamins, starch, and natural minerals. These are compounds that have the ability to stimulate the activity of beneficial microorganisms in water. At the same time, it creates a light source of energy to help cuttings root more easily. The next ingredient is carrot peel. This part seems to be discarded, but it contains many valuable nutrients that help cuttings grow strongly. Finely chop the carrot skin to easily release nutrients when soaked in the solution. Inside this shell is beta-carotene, potassium, phosphorus, and a small amount of vitamin C. All help stimulate the formation of young roots and protect branch tissue from rotting in the early stages. Studies show that minerals in carrot peels can activate root growth enzymes and increase the natural nutrient absorption of young plants. Therefore, even though it is just a thin layer of bark, it is a great source of energy for the organic rooting process. Add the chopped carrot peel to the cup of previously soaked rice water. At this time, the nutrients from rice and carrots will begin to blend, creating a natural nutritional foundation that helps stimulate the formation of young roots. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of honey to the mixture. Honey is not only a natural antibacterial, but also contains enzymes and natural sugars that help nourish root tissue, stimulating healthy growth of young shoots. Stir gently until ingredients are completely dissolved. This mixture is a combination of starch, minerals, vitamins, and natural enzymes, creating a safe and effective organic rooting solution. Let this mixture soak for a few hours in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. To get healthy new rose cuttings, the first step is to choose the right cuttings. Choose a young branch, that is, a branch that is not too young or too old, about 12 to 15 centimeters long, with 2 to 3 clear leaf eyes. This is the part of the stem where the cell tissue is. In a strong active stage, very easy to stimulate rooting. Remove all the bottom leaves, keeping only 1 to 2 leaves on top. This helps reduce evaporation of water through the leaves, thereby retaining moisture better and focusing energy on the process of forming new roots. Withered petals or dead buds should also be removed to avoid fungus and reduce nutrient loss. The base of the branch is cut at a 45-degree angle to increase the contact area with the root stimulant solution. At the same time, avoid stagnant water and limit bacteria that cause rot. This cutting angle also helps the branch absorb nutrients and oxygen better. Finally, soak the base of the cuttings in a cup of prepared solution. Soaking time is about 3 to 5 hours depending on the thickness of the branch. Now we will prepare the growing medium, the decisive factor for the development of young roots. I use 50% coconut peat mixed with 50% loose soil, then mix well. Coconut peat helps retain moisture and creates ventilation for the roots, while loose soil provides minerals and mechanical strength, helping young roots to adhere firmly and develop evenly. I put the mixed substrate into a plastic cup with drainage holes at the bottom. These can be used cups, both economical and environmentally friendly. Fill the growing medium, then use a small chopstick to make a small hole in the middle to place the cuttings more easily. Gently remove the cutting from the cup of rooting solution. Use a clean cotton ball to gently absorb excess water, to avoid water logging at the base in the early stages. Then, insert the base of the cutting into the hole in the middle of the growing medium cup, so that the leaf buds are facing outwards to facilitate new shoots. Use your hands to lightly press around the base, helping the stem to stabilize and make good contact with the growing medium. This is an important condition for the roots to grow evenly and not break prematurely. Filter out the residue. Keep only the clear water of the root stimulant solution, and put it in a spray bottle. Spray lightly on the surface of the substrate to create moisture and add natural enzymes. Help stimulate young roots to form faster and healthier. Finally, turn a large plastic cup upside down with air holes punched in it. Creates a mini greenhouse effect, retains moisture, heat, and limits bacteria in the air. This is the ideal environment to help roots form faster and new shoots grow stronger. Place the cuttings in a cool, lightly lit place, away from direct sunlight, as high temperatures can cause moisture to evaporate quickly and wilt the cuttings. Now just maintain stable humidity. Monitor every day. Be patient, and you will feel the simple but precious joy when your own hands have created a green life. After about 12 to 15 days, under that moist substrate, life quietly begins. And today, we will witness that wonderful thing together. The first shoots have begun to emerge from the leaf nodes, delicate, green, but full of life. Each bud is a sign of resurrection, showing that the cell tissue in the stem has adapted. And the natural nutrients from rice, carrots and honey have really worked. Now let's check the root system. Gently remove the outer layer of substrate. And miraculously, the white young roots spread all around, healthy, thick and shiny. The moment I saw the white roots and green shoots appear together is a worthy reward for the patience and love we give to each flower branch. From a branch that seemed to have withered, now a new life has begun. Now it's time to move the plant to a larger part, to continue its journey of growing into a natural breathing rose. Every shoot, every root is the result of love, meticulousness and trust that we place in nature. From a simple rose branch, today, a life has been revived. Proof that as long as you sow with all your heart, miracles will always bloom. If you also love those simple and magical things, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with people who are passionate about growing flowers. Let us together spread the beauty of life and the joy of planting. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video.